let's make my mommy's homemade lemonade recipe.
Did you like this one?
Yeah.
This is a super easy recipe for the summer, and it's a lot of fun to do together, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do we start with?
Lemons. I like to eat the lemons.
Yes, it's true. My children love to eat lemons. All of them do. And you want to have enough lemons to make 1 whole cup of lemon juice.
And to save it for your children, if you have children.
Yeah, because after I squeeze the lemons, what do you do with them? You eat them. Yeah.
I eat their gizzards.
I don't think lemons have gizzards. Anyway, you get that cup of lemon juice. You set it aside. Then you make your simple syrup. It's 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water on the stove over medium-low heat.
Don't forget to mix.
Until what happens?
Till the sugar dissolves.
That's right. And then once it dissolves, you let it cool.
Then you pour it into the thingamajiggy.
Which is called a pitcher.
Then you pour it into the pitcher thingamajiggy.
Then you pour your lemon juice into the thingamajiggy.
Then you pour more of that stuff into the thingamajiggy.
You pour 4 to 6 cups of water in, and you can add more or less water depending on how diluted you want it. The full recipe.
Seasonsprinkles.com. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more. Hi, let's make my mommy's blueberry lemonade.
Yeah, this is super yummy, and it's an easy spin on regular lemonade.
This is a simple syrup of sugar and water. Now you mix. Get it over with, people.
Over medium-low heat, and it's 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. Once the sugar dissolves, what are you going to add, do you think?
Oh, mix, and blueberries.
That's right. Then you add a cup of fresh blueberries.
Blueberries.
And you cook them, and you can see they're starting to turn dark, and then they release the purple juices. Dark of heart, are you okay, child?
Yes, I'm okay.
And you can see that they're the water is turning purple, but it's not purple enough. Now it's purple enough.
Wow, that's really pretty.
And they all start to burst, and then you pour it over a strainer. I do recommend putting a paper towel down because it splashes. And you want to let
Splashy.
Right.
A lot of the blueberries.
And you want to let it cool a little bit before you do this. And then what do you think you're going to do to get the juice out? You're going to press it with a spoon. Yes. And then that blueberry juice goes into a pitcher.
Lemonade.
4 to 6 cups. And then what do you think you're going to do?
Put it in the fridge. Wait, no. Mixy.
Mixy. And then what do you do?
Like, follow, subscribe for more?
No, then you put it in the fridge, and you get the full recipe on
seasonsprinkles.com. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more. Hi, let's make my mommy and daddy's strawberry lemonade. Yummy, yum, yum.
Yeah, you liked this one, too. It's like regular lemonade, but sweeter, and with a fun summer spin to it. So what's that?
You gotta mix.
But what are you mixing?
Sugar and water.
Yep, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So a cup of sugar, a cup of water over medium-low heat until the sugar dissolves.
Then you need strawberries.
Yep, you want a cup of fresh sliced strawberries, and they're going right into that simple syrup so that you're making a strawberry simple syrup. That's all this is.
Yes, my dear mommy.
And you cook it until the strawberries start to break down. It's going to come to a simmer just like that, and it'll be all red. And when it looks like that, that's when you pour it over your strainer. Let it cool first before you do it.
Good idea.
Yeah, that way you don't burn yourself. And
really good idea.
In the strainer, you're just going to press down on the strawberries so that you get all of the extra juice from it.
Then you pour it into it looks like lemonade.
A pitcher of 4 to 6 cups of lemonade, and you pour it all in, and then what do you think you do?
You drink it.
No, you mixy it. And then you let it chill. And then you drink it. The full recipe.
seasonsprinkles.com.
Don't
forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.